Hello everyone, in this video I will be talking about a midlife updation done to our 6-year-old Ignis. This is a petrol variant that is in the zeta trim. Zeta, not the top of the line alpha. This is the zeta variant. You can see even the zeta variant gets all black alloy wheels. This body claddings all around. This spoiler, this rear lip spoiler, everything has been added later as an accessory. Coming to the back, the main change we done is this new rear bumper. This is the current facelift variant type of bumper. So recently we had a minor accident, so we thought like repairing it. So went for changing this to the new type, and it works, it fits perfectly. And we have changed all these claddings because these were all damaged, and along with we had some dent here which was also repaired and touched up nicely. We also gave it nice Teflon coating. I know Teflon coating is not usually done nowadays, everybody is going for ceramic, but this is very cheap. It cost me only 4,000 rupees for doing it all around, and they are giving me one free coating as well. So the car is now all shiny. Now I will show you the front end. The front end remains the same as pre-facelift type, which I like personally than the current generation. But to blend with the rest of the car, I have painted the lower part silver, so that it will match with the silver lining or silver part on the rear. So that is the idea. Another change is this new shark fin antenna. Actually Ignis comes with a stick type of antenna. I have swapped that to shark fin type of antenna. So overall the car now looks new, much better looking for a 6-year-old car. Now let us see the interior. It is all dressed up. This has all been cleaned up very well. Even after 6 years, all the seats are well maintained. No problem with the seats. These are actually genuine Maruti Nexa accessories. But one change was this gear knob, which was all damaged. So I bought a replacement part from bootmo.com. I did it myself, but to be frank, it's very difficult to change this thing. Even though there are some YouTube videos claiming it is very easy, but it is not easy. Actually I had to use Dremel tool to cut out the old one.